Play and learn for kids. Listen, speak, read and learn. Subscribe us and click on bell icon to get every new videos. Let's see about how plants get nutrition. The organisms need to take food to obtain energy, to grow and to repair the damaged parts of the body. The process of taking food by an organism as well as the utilization of this food by the organism is called as nutrition. The organisms which can make food themselves by the process of photosynthesis are called autotrophs, and their mode of nutrition is called autotrophic. Autotrophs contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which helps to make food by absorbing energy from the sunlight. All green plants are autotrophs because green plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Autotrophs, heterotrophs. Organisms which can make food themselves by the process of photosynthesis are called autotrophs. Organisms which cannot make food themselves by the process of photosynthesis are called heterotrophs. All the green plants are autotrophs. All the non-green plants, animals and human beings are heterotrophs. Photosynthesis. Plants use the energy in sunlight to prepare food in the presence of a green color pigment called chlorophyll present in the leaves of the green plant. The process by which green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight energy in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. The making of food occurs in the leaves of a plant. So, leaves are the food factories of a plant. The process of photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide gas present in air enters the leaves of a plant through the pores present on their surface. Water and minerals present in the soil is absorbed by the roots and then transported to the leaves. The sunlight supplies energy for the food making process. All the food on earth is made by utilizing the solar energy. Therefore, sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Chlorophyll absorbs the energy from the sunlight and it is used to combine water and carbon dioxide present in the green leaves to produce food, and this process is called photosynthesis. The process first produces a simple carbohydrate called glucose as food. The glucose carbohydrate then gets converted into a complex carbohydrate called starch. Starch gets stored as food in the various parts of the plant, including leaves. The seeds or grains have lot of starch in them. Potato and carrot plants store lot of starch in their roots. Certain plants convert glucose into oils during photosynthesis and store them in their seeds. Such seeds give oil for cooking food. The oils obtained from plant seed are commonly known as vegetable oil. Plants combine some of the glucose carbohydrate with nitrate minerals obtained from the soil to make amino acids, which are then made into proteins. Plants make vitamins as food. Vitamins are made by plants. Vitamins are contained by vegetables, fruits and cereals made by plants. Oxygen gas is produced in the leaves during photosynthesis and it goes out into the air, which is utilized by all other living organisms. Photosynthesis by plant parts other than leaves. In some plants, photosynthesis also takes place in other parts of the plants, such as green stem and green branches. They can also do photosynthesis because they also contain chlorophyll. The tiny and spine-like leaves of a cactus plant cannot do photosynthesis. The stem and the branch of a cactus plant are green, which contain chlorophyll. So, the green stem and green branches of a cactus plant carry out the photosynthesis to make food for the plant. The photosynthesis by algae. The green layer floating on the surface of a pond or lake is formed by the growth of a tiny green plant-like organisms called algae. Algae contain chlorophyll and produce food by photosynthesis just like plants. Algae differ from plants because they do not have proper roots, stems and leaves. The green color of the algae is due to the presence of chlorophyll in them. Leaves of various colors. Most of the plants have green colored leaves. Some of the plants have leaves of other colors such as red, violet, brown, etc. The leaves having other colors also have chlorophyll in them. The large amount of red, violet, brown or other pigments in such leaves mask the green color of the chlorophyll. So, photosynthesis also takes place in leaves having color other than green. Importance of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis by plants puts oxygen gas into the air. It is this oxygen gas which the animals and human beings use for breathing and respiration. In the absence of photosynthesis, there would be no oxygen in air and hence no animals or human beings could exist on this earth. The survival of animals and human beings depends on the food made by plants. In the absence of photosynthesis, there would be no plants on this earth and hence no animals and human beings will survive. So, without plants, we could not survive. So, save plants and save earth. Hope you like our videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe us to watch more videos.